Here's the latest on xtalks.com. The newest consumer on the block is coming of age, and they've got a lot of buying power. For marketers, Generation Z is likely the most interesting group to study right now. But how will their preferences indicate the future of food? Hello, I'm Margot Rubin, multimedia editor and webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is The Rising Demand for Trust and Transparency, Blockchain for Food. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of this video so you can always be up to date with the latest Xtalks Vitals episodes. A new study called Looking Ahead to Gen Z, Demographic Patterns and Spending Trends by Packaged Facts says the age group shows a striking contrast in food preferences when compared to their millennial predecessors. The findings of the study reveal that Gen Z favors eating multiple snacks throughout the day as opposed to traditional three-course meals due to their busy schedules. Households headed by adults under the age of 25 are 29% more likely to eat microwavable dinners and 26% more likely to eat frozen entrees for breakfast. They're also 23% more likely to eat frozen pre-made dinners and 10% more likely to purchase meal kits and ready-to-eat food items. Despite their attraction to convenience, this on-the-go age demographic is also extremely health-conscious when it comes to eating. The study found organic food was more favorable to these consumers when grocery shopping. Furthermore, the Gen Z demographic is all about exploring new flavors. This gives the food industry leverage to create and invest in more authentic food items and push boundaries for new tastes and ingredients. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story. And our featured food webinar for this episode is The Rising Demand for Trust and Transparency, Blockchain for Food. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.